Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can simply follow someone on character.ai app. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is tap open character.ai app. Once you tap it open, it will take some time to boot itself and will redirect you to its chats. Now all you need to do is click on the explore button and click on a random character. So once this type of interface opens, you need to simply click on the character and click on view creator profile. There you can find the creator and you need to simply click on the follow button. Once you do this, you will simply follow a person on character.ai. So in few easy steps you are all set, so you can go in your profile and check your following as well as your followers. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.